Hi there, Melody from WTI. And this, my friends, is going to be the last bike cover you're ever going to need to buy. This heavy-duty, waterproof bike cover provides everything that you need and more. Let me show you. I love that this is such a high-performance, high-quality cover. It's got really nice extra strong elastic hems, so it's going to stay in place. And it even comes with 3 buckle tie downs to keep it even more secure in place. It fits my quad perfectly. It also comes equipped with these night reflective yellow stripes, so you'll be able to find your bike even in the dark. It also has a really cool easy access zipper panel, so you can reach into your gas tank, console, or handlebars while the bike is covered, and you don't have to take the whole cover off. It's an awesome feature. The cover is made with a high quality, rip-resistant polyester material that is waterproof and weatherproof, as you can see. So save yourself some time and money. Just run out and get yourself one of these bike covers. Comes in either black or camo. So many different sizes, so many awesome features about this. We're very happy with it, but that's our point of view.